I have missed you. I haven't seen you guys for ages. This is my first arena show in Austria. Thank you so much for believing in me. Hello. Sorry. I'm not human, I don't sneeze. Oh, thank you. What is that? Do you know what this means? I'm supposed to kill him. But thank you for the lovely note. I'll read it later. I keep all the stuffed animals. I just prefer them like this. Anyway, I would love to spend all night talking to you, but I'm sure you're much more interested in hearing about my extremely inappropriate relationship with Beyonce Carter.